Welcome to this two-bedroom penthouse condo located right here in the Ironbound section of Newark. It's delightful, super spacious, and loaded with tons of natural light. And you don't want to miss the terrace with its beautiful New York City views.
But don't take my word for it. Come on in and see for yourself.